We are in Robbinsville in New Jersey. It took 2 hours to drive here from our house. Looks like it is a nursery. That's so many Japanese maple. Yeah, it is a nursery. See? Oh, a nursery. I came to a nursery, ostrich nursery. It's just next to the school. So see these pink dogwood. So this week they are all opened, the blooms. What is this? Looks very interesting. Dawn redwood. See the leaf. That is white kusa dogwood. These are pink dogwood. Ostrich nursery. Pink flowering dogwood, 249. 249.98. So $250 these, because they have a lot of root. These are eastern red bird. See, 259 eastern red bird. Yeah, they have big pot. Big pot. See the blooms. And yeah, 259. These are all evergreen. That means in winter also they have the leaves in the plant. This is daylily, Stella dioro. I already have Stella dioro. I have red daylily too. Hydrangea. See, these are hydrangea. Venus sweet shrub. Let's check what is the price. Price is not written. See, these are all Japanese maples. Let's see what is the price. It looks like bloodwood, yes. I have to put bloodwood. So, I think it is the full moon Japanese maple, golden full moon Japanese maple. So big, see. Let's read the tag. Acer japonicum osami, I don't know. Here it is. Golden leaf. It's not properly written. You see, this is variegated leaves. I forgot the name, but once I selected this to buy, that's how I recognize the plant. Variegated leaves. Fern leaf full moon maple. Fern leaf full moon maple. See the leaves. See, this is a climbing hydrangea. These are all climbing hydrangea. These. I bought 2 Japanese maples from here. Ostrich nursery. Here, see, those are wisteria vines. Oh my god, so beautiful. Wisteria blooms. These are the 2 Japanese maples that I bought. This is Emperor. Just to add some color, I bought this one. I have to blood good but not Emperor, so I thought it is different, and let's see how it will look. And I love the leaves of this waterfall, and it is the branches will be like a waterfall. The shape will be like downward, all branches. They are both healthy. Let's see.